Hello, and welcome to installment 2 of your free Twitter marketing video course, Defining Your Target Audience. What does it take to effectively reach your target audience on Twitter? You may be wanting to reach out to as many people as possible through your Twitter account, or you may be wanting to only reach out to a select group of people. Either way, you must be able to effectively define who your target audience is and determine how you're going to reach out to them most effectively. There are a variety of elements that come into play when refining your processes. Some of the strategies involve using SEO tools, keyword research, market analysis, and so on and so forth. It's of utmost importance to go after only the highest probabilities and be able to properly interpret these metrics, as they could make or break your entire campaign. We at Virtual Assistant Inc. make that a much less arduous task through the utilization of our specialized research and development process. The combination of advanced tools and specialized knowledge we possess allows us to maximize the effectiveness of our searches, yielding optimal results. So how many people do you want to reach? Depending on your field of interest and what your proposed networking outreach strategy is, you may wish to reach out to only a dozen people or maybe to thousands of people. You'll want to determine in advance what your preferred magic number is going to be based on how much exposure you want or according to what your business can actually handle. It certainly also helps to know the size of your existing and potential audience so that you can plan accordingly. So how does it all work? We use advanced research methods and multiple analytical tools to determine what size our audience is. Tools such as keyword analyzers, which give us an accurate idea of how many people are searching for the keywords associated with our targets. We use data mining programs that provide statistical comparisons, categorized analyses, and other knowledge discovery. This helps with identifying trends, helps with forecasting, and ultimately it leads to more strategic planning of our service offerings. We start with keyword analysis. How many people are searching for the key terms associated with our targeted audience? How popular are these terms and their variants? This analysis helps us determine what those hot buttons are for our campaign, to find as many people in the Twitter community who match the descriptions or show interest in these relevant terms. Now with data mining, there are a few ways to go about finding out who our prime candidates are going to be. One of the most efficient, hands-free ways is data mining. Rather than using Twitter's search engine and only seeing tweets that match your search criteria, as for adding the tweeters to your list, it's got to be done manually if you use Twitter's integrated search engine. So why not pull the data that you need directly from their database? It's a lot more effective and you're going to get a lot more results and you're going to be able to extract that data a lot more effectively. That's what data mining allows you to do, and it's going to save you a ton of energy. With online marketing tools, this type of software in many cases can be very, very powerful, as it can very easily combine many of the various research and manage, monitoring, and report functions into one central access point. It's very handy indeed. This is a crucial first step process to determine and define who your best target audience is. Once the appropriate data has been reviewed, we can formulate the best plan of action to reach out to our target audiences with higher levels of accuracy. Well, this concludes Twitter Marketing Course 2. Join us next episode for pre-launch preparation, the steps that need to be taken to gear up for beginning your campaign so you can hit the ground running. Thanks for watching.